Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about 5 other largest road projects that they have in the works for Jamaica. And we are driving on Mandela Highway because 2 of these projects involve Mandela Highway. Now we're just going to go through the 5 of them when they're not in any order of priority or importance. So I think since we're on Mandela, we can start with the 2 that involve Mandela Highway. So Portmore, this traffic that you see on the right is actually to go to Portmore. Once the traffic passes the Portmore turnoff, the traffic flows freely. So the government plans to build an overpass, a 4-lane overpass from Mandela Highway onto Dyke Road. And this would involve building a bridge over the Rio Cobre. And they announced the plans for construction of a Portmore access road from Mandela Highway into the municipality with the building of a bridge over the Rio Cobre. Now, this project is one of importance. It should be given priority, and it's actually a part of the CapEx program, but it hasn't started yet, and they need to get it going because there's a lot of traffic on Mandela Highway because of the access to Portmore. Now, another major project that involves Mandela Highway is the building of the Caymanas interchange. The government plans to build the Caymanas Highway interchange to facilitate connection of the east-west and north-south legs of Highway 2000 of highways without exiting. Presently, users on either toll road are forced to exit onto Mandela Highway if they intend to access the other toll road. And they plan to solve this problem by building the Caymanas interchange. So basically, you'll be able to be on the PJ Patterson Highway, which is Highway 2000 east-west leg, and go directly on to Highway 2000 north-south leg, which is the PJ Patterson Highway. And with so many mega developments happening on Mandela Highway or off Mandela Highway, you have the 876 complex. Almost every month you hear about a new warehouse being built over there. You have the Raintree Commercial Complex, which is about to get going, and you have the Caymanas Economic Zone. All these developments are off Mandela Highway. So the Caymanas interchange will definitely help with the flow of traffic. Now, another major project that the government plans to do is to build a highway, Highway 2000 from Williamsfield in Manchester to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. Now, this project is actually, they are on the way. They haven't started the construction phase yet, but they have started the planning and alignment stage. And this highway is actually going to be going up into the hills. It will start in Manchester, in Williamsfield, head up to Junction, Southfield, and come down into Black River. Definitely a game changer for the highway to go that far. And also, once it reaches Hodges, the highway will split. One section will go to Montego Bay, one section will go to Negril. So the continued build out of Highway 2000, very important project in Jamaica. It's a pity they didn't just do everything in one go. We have China Harbour Engineering Company and a lot of other foreign contractors are coming to Jamaica. But we'll talk about that in another video. So that's number 3. Number 4 will be the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway. Now, the North Coast of Jamaica is seeing some unprecedented developments. The amount of hotels, commercial buildings, Drax Hall alone has so many developments that the road from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios cannot manage the amount of cars that use it. The most recent traffic numbers along the North Coast Highway, several areas, the road was built to accommodate 15,000 cars per day, and several areas have already exceeded this daily threshold, and that adds to congestion on the road. Sometimes you can take up to an hour just to get through Draxall, and Draxall is still growing. Draxall is still growing. Sea Castles to Greenwood, this is the same Northern Coastal Highway. Sea Castles to Greenwood has the largest capacity deficit, and improving this corridor to 4 lanes will allow an increase in the daily capacity to approximately 40,000 vehicles. And so from Sea Castles to Greenwood, you can easily extend to 4 lanes. But when you get to Discovery Bay, Salem, Runaway Bay, the Discovery Bay to Salem segment, on the other hand, has several entry and exit points and encroachments and limited reservations that constrain capacity and the potential for widening the corridor to 4 lanes. Therefore, a bypass option is going to be done for this section. So the Northern Coastal Highway goes from Negril to Port Antonio. But the section from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios is the busiest section, because Montego Bay has the airport and Ocho Rios is a major tourist town. So between some sections, you're going to widen. The entire road is going to become 4 lanes. And when you get to Discovery Bay all the way back to Runaway Bay, they're going to build a bypass. So the road won't be on the original alignment. There'll be a bypass going around the town. For all the other sections, they'll just extend the roadway to 4 lanes. Now, the 5th major project underway by the government, or road project, is the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. They're actually going to build a perimeter road around Montego Bay. And the project has started. We will give you guys some video updates on that shortly. And then this project is going to include a Long Hill bypass, and they're going to expand Barnett Street and Greenwood Avenue. Major project on the way in Montego Bay. So those are the top 5 mega road projects on the way by the government, or the plans. Some have started, some haven't started yet. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys.